Herbal teas have been used for centuries to support digestion and overall well-being. Many people struggle with bloating, indigestion, and post-meal discomfort, which can be frustrating and even embarrassing. Common causes include food sensitivities, stress, and inflammation, but herbal teas offer a natural and effective solution. Peppermint tea is a top choice for digestion due to its cooling effect, which soothes the stomach and reduces bloating. Ginger tea is another powerful option, known for its anti-inflammatory properties that ease nausea and stimulate digestion. Chamomile tea helps reduce stress and promotes relaxation, making it an excellent choice for those with stress-related digestive issues. Ginger tea is especially helpful for nausea and stomach pain, while peppermint tea is great after meals to support digestion. Chamomile tea is best before bed, as it encourages relaxation and better sleep. Other beneficial teas include lemon balm, which has a refreshing citrusy taste that calms digestion, and licorice root, which reduces inflammation and soothes the stomach lining. A powerful digestive tea blend combines peppermint, ginger, and chamomile, providing cooling, warming, and calming effects all in one cup. Many people have reported that this tea blend has eliminated bloating, eased acid reflux, and significantly improved their digestive health. Scientific studies also back its benefits, showing how these ingredients reduce inflammation and enhance digestion. Incorporating herbal teas into a daily routine is an easy and effective way to support digestive health. Whether drinking peppermint, ginger, chamomile, or a combination, these teas are gentle, natural, and beneficial for overall wellness. Have you tried any of these teas for digestion? Share your experiences in the comments, and check out my other videos for more natural health tips.